Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Top Best. I hope you have enjoyed watching my previous videos. But before going towards our today's video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell. And if there's any title you want me to go through, write them in the comment box down below. We all know that animals were the native residents of Earth even before mankind, but very unfortunately most of them are extinct and are in the list of extinction. Did you know these animals are in the list of extinction? Number 10. Panda. We all love pandas. They're the cutest bicolor animal that human beings have taken them to the brink of extinction. It is also known as giant panda as well. The name is giant panda so that we could distinguish it from the red panda. China has a wild population of less than 2,500 giant pandas. They live in a few mountain ranges in central China. The dragon has often served as China's national symbol, but internationally the giant panda has filled this role. It is becoming widely used within China's international context, for example, appearing since 1982 on golden panda bullion coins and is one of the 5 Fuwa mascots of Beijing Olympics. Number 9. Siberian Tiger. Siberian tiger or Amur tiger is a tiger from population of Panthera tigris subspecies native to the Russian Far East, Northeast China and possibly North Korea. Poaching is thought to be the biggest threat to tigers for trophies and organs used in Asian medicine. Probably less than 4,000 remain in the wild. The Siberian tiger is genetically close to the extinct Caspian tiger. The Caspian and Siberian tiger populations were the northmost in mainland Asia. The Siberian tiger was also called Amur tiger, Manchurian tiger, Korean tiger, Assyrian tiger, depending on the region where individuals were observed. Number 8. Whooping crane. Whooping crane was named for its whooping sound. It is the tallest North American bird. The whooping crane's lifespan is estimated to be 22 up to 24 years in the wild. Unfortunately, they are being pushed to the brink of extinction by unregulated hunting and loss of habitat. 1938 was the first year that a population survey was conducted, and regarding to the survey, only 29 whooping crane remained in the wild. 3 years later, only 16 remained, and efforts to rescue the remaining birds were not made until late 1960s. But by the help of tireless efforts, today there are more than 400 birds. Number 7. Blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on the earth. There are less than 25,000, which includes several subspecies. They are found in all of the world's oceans except the Arctic. Its maximum length is 29.9 meters and weighing up to 199 tons. The blue whale's long and slender body can be of various shades of grayish-blue, dorsally and lighter underneath. It was hunted almost to the point of extinction by whalers, until the International Whaling Commission banned its hunting in 1966. Number 6. Asian elephant. The population of Asian elephants which inhabit 13 countries is around 40,000 up to 50,000, and from this number, 50% of the population is concentrated in India. Asian elephants are much smaller than those of their African counterparts. Unfortunately, the Asian species is still poached for its ivory, meat, and skin. Number 5. Sea otter. The luxurious waterproof coating that insulates sea otter from the cold water in which they live almost led to its extinction. This species was almost wiped out, with only some 2,000 of an estimated 300,000 left by 1911. They are highly vulnerable to both natural phenomena such as a killer whale predation and to the anthropogenic factors as oil spills. Number 4. Snow leopard. However, it's called a leopard and certainly resembles a frosted version of those spotted habitus of more equatorial regions. Snow leopard is actually more closely related to the tigers, at least per genetic analysis. Probably less than 6,500 remain in the wild. The largest populations are in China, Mongolia, with a significant population in India and Kyrgyzstan as well. Number 3. Mountain gorilla. There are two species of gorilla, the eastern, which is Gorilla berengi, and western, which is gorilla, and three subspecies, which are eastern lowland, western lowland, and mountain gorillas. There are probably only around 220,000 left in the wild. Removing even a few members of a gorilla group can be catastrophic. Number 2. Tasmanian Devil. Between the years 1996 and 2008, the population of Tasmanian Devil decreased 60% due to a contagious cancer known as devil facial tumor disease. It continues to decimate population of this species, which only occur on the Australia island of Tasmania. There may be only 10,000 of them in the wild. Number 1. Bornean Orangutan. Orangutan is a Malaysian word which means person of the forest, like gorillas and chimpanzees. They have known to use tools. Orangutans are limited to the Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and Sumatra. Like other giant apes, they are usually in groups of less than 3, which makes them difficult to track and study.